I'm not buying anything, thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another guest star. She's feeling really shy.
Ambushed.
She's ambushed into giving an apartment tour. Clara.
Okay,
Let's
for the
show
record,
the
I only moved in 3 weeks ago. I did not spend a single weekend in this apartment since I moved here. And I just got back from another weekend, which means nothing is really...
And that's the chaotic energy that we love and live for.
I pay $175, and with the rent, like it, and then like the total with everything, with the Wi-Fi and the electricity is like 1.125.
And how many square meters?
It's, I think they said 28.
And what arrondissement are we in?
6. Saint-Germain-des-Prés. That's it. Like
Wow.
the next thing, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But I got it. Like, thing is, I got it off market, which is why like this is lucky. Like I was lucky because like I knew the girl that was in here before, so I could just like take over her lease.
That's very lucky.
Yeah.
And that's sometimes how people find their apartments.
With jobs, it's the same as with apartments. The best are off market.
Mmm. Good advice, people.
Welcome to my crib.
Wow. Okay, where should we start?
Well, the thing is, you know what's really good is like, welcome to my kitchen, my bedroom, and my living room. Reality in Paris.
It's true that it's kind of all in one, but we love that.
No, wait. Actually, the best part is okay. Let's start here. This, as I said, I just came in, and this will be like done. But like, maybe the best part is
wow!
my retro bathroom that I love.
You can do backflips in this hallway.
Retro, but I love it. Like, this is the best like bathroom I've had.
It's so cute.
It's a bit messy, but
With the window?
the only annoying thing is like this girl that lives like across, she's so annoying. Like her kitchen is there.
Yeah.
And like, you know when you see someone like naked, you just don't look.
She looks at you?
She always looks like that's you know. And look, I have storage here. Like it's small, but it's actually like cleverly done. Like I have storage here.
And
This
sunroofs?
I had this like water. How do you say it?
Yeah.
And so this is all broken. They're like redoing it next week or something. And then those aren't working either because of the water.
Welcome to Paris.
This is my kind of baby.
You have some storage here, some jewelry.
My stuff, and I put this in there.
This is.
Show you my college.
But this just looks like a regular bed.
Yeah, well it is. It's just not my because I just can't think over here.
Totally.
So good. With the matching coffee. Right. So good.
So cute.
Yeah. And the star of the show.
Wow. You are lucky. Oh, well, you heard it here first. You have to be a little connected to get an apartment like this.
Men that are taken. Stop kidding.
Cut.
Bye.
Cut. Clara's not media trained, so that's why the video is chaotic. No, I'm kidding. Thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna edit it while sitting on Clara's gorgeous balcony. See you at the next one. Bisous. Bye.